So I told you we will keep you posted on the Scalemodel Releases 2025. And here we are. Next up on the menu is the MiniArt Release Catalogue 2025. So here it is. We are going through the entire catalog and we will be hunting for new toolings or re-releases or reissues, advanced kits of stuff which has been just lately released, right? We are not that much interested in reboxes from 1997, right? So, MiniArt 2025, let's go. So I'm saying it right now, before we even have a look at the entire range of MiniArt, please leave a comment. Let me know, what do you think of this new product line in 2025? I think personally, this one is much better than what they introduced and revealed last year for 2024. So this is the online catalog. Let's have a look at the content. I will put the link to this catalog in the description down below so you can have a look yourself and go through all the kits and all the stuff they have here. It's a big catalog. It has 120 pages. All right, so MiniArt has different lines and they put the brandings, the logos on the kits. For instance, here, special edition. Special edition kits are reissues of existed kits with additional details and PE parts and decals, etc. It's like a reissue, a rebox with some additional parts. Or for instance here, interesting, advanced kit. Kits include more PE details, additional marking and camouflage option, extra interior details, etc., etc. So here we are, military vehicles in 1/72 scale. We got two new kits here, der Stück 3 Ausführung G und die Stu 42 Ausführung G. So, die Sturmgeschütz and a Sturmhaubitze. Let me check quickly. 7210. So it's with new parts. This is not a new tooling. Let me see. New tooling was in 2023. So this is still quite new, but not completely new. I guess it's the same with the other one. 7215. To be sure. Yeah, it's the same. New parts in 2025. Okay, so let's get it on. Medieval Castle. Nothing new here, but this is new. In 1/48 scale is a Junkers F-13, a float plane. It looks very crazy. You know, like it's a funny and special aircraft. Let's see what we have here. This is the Junkers F-13 mid-production. And otherwise, yeah, it's like here. The P-47D Thunderbolt. Let's check this quickly. New parts. Good. It's an advanced kit. And it was released also in 2023. So they are now releasing another advanced kit of this. There's a new tool here. Okay, that's something else, huh? MiniArt. I think that's the other one. Yeah, that's the other one. We will get to this. We will get to this. Because it's right here. The P-47D in 1/48 scale. That is a complete new tooling. Can see it here, many different photos of the assembled model from different angles. Looks nice. It's a basic kit, so maybe later on they will release an advanced kit of this. And here's the next beautiful aircraft in 1/48 scale, the Focke-Wulf FW-190 D9, I think, huh? D9. It's a basic kit. Jagdgeschwader 301. Here also some pictures of the assembled model. Looks like you can also assemble it with retracted landing gear, which I really like. Let me quickly check here on the P-47. I didn't realize has the same option here. That's good. Very nice one. Very nice one. I think a lot of people will love this one. Let's see what we have here. This is accessories and figures in 1/48 scale, German ground stuff, North Africa. They say this is new. Shall we quickly check? 49020. So here it is, MiniArt 49020, and doesn't say anything. So I guess it's new. Okay, let's get it on. We don't want to... Nothing new here. Accessory parts. The hummingbird, colibri. This is a crazy, crazy thing here. Crazy thing. Now we are at the World War I military miniatures series. Interior kits. Nothing new over here. Nothing new over here. Let's get it on. World War II military vehicles. And we have one here. Schwerer Panzerspähwagen. Late modification. This one. In 1/35 scale. We're gonna check scale mates quickly. Future 2025 new parts. So this was a new tool in 2024, and they now re-release it with new parts. At least with new parts. Thanks for that, MiniArt. Keep it going. Here is the Stewart MK1 Honey early production. Then we got Japanese M3 Stewart with crew. Let's have a look here. Is this same thing? 2025 new parts. It's a new tool of 2024. Next page. Nothing new over here. Guns, trucks and cars. And here we have a new tooling. This is completely new. Die Raupenschlepper. OSL R50 early production. It's a really cute thing. It looks very cool with this camo here. This messed up winter camo. Look at this. It comes with some PE parts. Looks decently detailed, man. This is funny. It's in 1/35 scale. Raupenschlepper. So let's see what else we have. We're still guns, trucks, cars. Military miniature series. Nothing new over here. But there's one new kit over here. The Puck 40. Short timeout, guys. Please do not forget. Subscribe to the video, like the channel, or the opposite way around. And if you're first viewer to the channel, like your first time here in the Rusty Scale Show, you have a seat right there in the back, I'll let it slide. I'll let it slide this time. But the next time you click on a video of the Rusty Scale Show, you'll subscribe. Deal? Puck 44 auf gepanzerter Selbstfahrerlafette. Alright, it's also in 1/35. It's also funny. Sorry, I have to laugh. It's funny looking with the guys here, and look, it's kind of small. You know, it's kind of cute, but looks also sort of deadly. Nicely detailed. Comes with some PE parts. It's a special thing, man. 1/35 scale. Okay. More vehicles. More vehicles. More vehicles. Not up. There we go. German cargo truck. Is this also with new parts, I guess? 35, 4, 56. And then home. MiniArt. Let's go. Comes with new parts. Maybe from a 2024 release as well. Let me guess. Yeah, 2024 release. So they do a lot of re-releases of 2024 kits. Again, we don't have to check anymore. I think it's clear. And here's another version of the Raupenschlepper mid-production. It's a different version of the new tooling. This thing, man. This looks really cool. Kind of like this one. Now we ended up at the accessories in 1/35. Now in the figure section in 1/35 scale, there's a new infantry tank rider set. Tank riders. You can place these on your Raupenschlepper. Right? You can get those together. This is US infantry. It's a captured. Yeah, I already have an idea for a diorama. A captured Raupenschlepper. With the tank crew there, with the tank riders. US infantry. We also have some British tank repair crew. They can repair the Raupenschlepper. German officers and drivers. Yeah, I'm sorry, but you got kicked out. You need to... these are riders, you know. They are not sitting in the Raupenschlepper. Okay, then US airborne tank riders. These are cool looking as well. Completely new tool. I checked those before. And here the Allied drivers. Shall we check those? Allied drivers. New parts. Oh. Good looking. Future new parts 2025 new parts, but this is a bit confusing, but yeah, you know, Scalemates is also, it's not the Bible or something, you know, it's not always 100% correct. So here's some more. These are very small. Oh shit, what have I done, man? Okay, here, very small, we have some British tank riders and Italian tank riders. So all type of tank riders, actually. Then, what we have here, 3-ton cargo truck. This is a new one. 38082. Is it a new Reeboks or really a new kit? Okay, so here we have it. 3-ton cargo truck. New part, future. Yeah, 2024 new tool. So we had this last year also in our video, and now they re-release it with new parts. Get it on. Now here we are at miniature series, different type of vehicles and miniatures. There's nothing with marked new. We're gonna go through this. Here we have some paint workers. Considered as new. We're not gonna check each and every one, of course. Construction workers. And here, what we have here. There is one in the What If series. The SD Kfz 234. Here we have some crazy what if stuff. Crazy stuff. Military miniatures. Yes. Tanks. More tanks. And even more tanks. Here we have the T-34, 85. Czechoslovak production, late type. Guess that's a re-release. Accessories. Oh, the lathe machine. I remember the lathe machine, man. Oh, man, you have to... Oh, the lathe machine. I still don't know what it is exactly, but I maybe have to build this one. What do you say? What do you think? Shall I build the lathe machine? It's in 1/35 scale. And somebody will surely explain me one more time, because I think some subscriber told me last year already what a lathe machine is. Of course, I could Google it, but we're not gonna. We maybe are going to build it without even knowing what it's doing. How about that? We are now in the buildings and accessory series in 1/35 scale. Beautiful lathe machine, man. We got some cheese. I hope it's some Swiss cheese. Yeah, of course, some Swiss cheese here. There we go. And these are buildings and accessories. Nothing new. Here, alcohol bottles with boxes. We have new alcohol bottles. Why not? Why not? You know, place some around the lathe machine. And behind, in the back. Bread. More accessories. Milling machine. Okay, it's not as beautiful as the lathe machine. This is new. Kharkiv. 1943. A tram and a Sturmgeschütz 3 Ausführung G with crew. Big set. I guess that's the same, right? That's the one we have. They also make a big set here. Together with this beautiful tram. Very nice. Very nice. New generation of injection molding base. So this is probably new here. The cobblestone road. With tram line. So you can place the tram. Ammo loading. Nice. Beautiful. Like it. Here, vehicles and accessories in 124. We're almost at the end. Up. How about these here? Fuel and oil drums. Some more. Some more for you guys. And historical figures. Macedonian Guards officer. 3rd century BC. It's quite some paint you have here, huh? All right. Here's some more figures. Considered as new, and I think that's it. I think it's a very interesting product line. New product line that they are introducing here for 2025. MiniArt. Nice, man. No, I didn't forget the clap to sync the audio with the video. I was clapping for MiniArt. So the Ukraine manufacturer this year really has a nice product line. I'm not sure. I heard something that they moved the production to Poland or parts of the production. Was it MiniArt? I'm not sure. I don't remember. But what stands out to me is the Raupenschlepper, of course, the Focke-Wulf 190 and the P-47. Let me quickly go back here to the beautiful aircraft models here. We have the P-47. Beautiful stuff. It's going to be big, I think, in 148. And of course, the FW190, I think, MiniArt W. Something in there for everybody. Aircrafts, figures, tanks, Raupenschlepper, vehicles, even his historical figures. So, yeah. And the fuel drums, alcohol bottles. They have everything. Cheese, bread, the wine, fuel drums. So after seeing all this, please let us know in the comment section down below what do you think about the product range that the Ukrainian manufacturer MiniArt has released here for 2025. I think it's much better than what they have announced in 2024. That's my personal opinion. I think it's a good thing. They have a lot of different products. They don't have like 10 aircraft models that they reveal, but I didn't expect them to do so. So we will keep you posted. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.